AI professionals around the world. Canada has announced plans to fast-track work permits for artificial intelligence talent, making it easier and faster for qualified professionals to work in Canada. Here's what we know. The proposed AI worker stream would operate through Canada's global talent stream. Work permits could be processed in 20 days or less from start to finish. That's significantly faster than the standard temporary foreign worker program process, which can take anywhere from 2 to 6 months. This initiative is part of Canada's new strategy to strengthen its AI sector, attract top global talent, and support innovation across the country. If you're an AI engineer, machine learning specialist, data scientist, AI researcher, or work in a related field, this could create exciting opportunity to build your career in Canada. Want to know if you qualify for a Canadian work permit or permanent residence pathway? Book a consultation with iConnect Global Immigration and get personalized guidance on your immigration options before these new opportunities launch.